Hi, welcome to this post market session. My name is Salman Sheikh. So, in today's market, we could see that HUL was going down. HUL, the Hindustan Unilever, was maximum down, that is minus 0.85%. But at the same time, I did not sell a put today because I was not getting a good price. Plus, it was too risky because HUL is at the peak of its channel. So, I'll just show you the channel in the long term trend. So, this is the channel, this is the long term trend of HUL. So, this is the line which is passing through, and if I check the recent one after Jan 17, it took a new trajectory. So corona fall actually did not affect it much. It was quite stable during the corona because it's an FMCG stock, and FMCG industry was not impacted as much. In fact, it only became better because people had more demand during the corona and they were hoarding goods and FMCG. So yes, this is the trajectory of HUL, and as you can see, this is the bottom line and this is the top line. There are some peaks, random peaks over here. So you can see the corona peak. So April 2020, it only went up rather than coming down because people hoarding, and then there was selling, so it came down, but that is also minimal, and then it has been taking support at this line, and now it is at the peak of it. So it is at the height of the channel. So despite HUL falling 0.85%, I could not do the trade today. So let's move on to the post market report. And before starting the discussion of Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's just check Dow Jones. Okay, so Dow Jones, you can see after so much of redness, you can see a green candle. So there is some hope of pullback and consolidation. And yes, it's approaching this line. So definitely there will be pullback because we have seen in the past it had taken support of this line. So I'll just show you the monthly. Yes, this is the long term trend and this is the lower end of it. And here when it took a pullback in October 2020, and this was the low, and then it again went higher, and now it's taking a pullback. So I think this line should be respected. Volatility of S&P 500 index, it was up slightly, and our India VIX was down. So our India VIX had 3.21% fall, whereas Nifty, yes, Nifty rose today, it was 0.14% higher. So let's just take deeper what happened in Nifty today. So Nifty had a gap up. So after this gap down of yesterday, today due to the positive global cues, and even the Dow Jones went up, hence Nifty also went up. So it gapped up, but at the same time it could not sustain the height, and then there was a fall. So even in the initial 1 hour there was a fall, then there was a pullback, and then again it was stable, and then slowly it came down, although on the closing basis it is 0.14% higher, and that is why the VIX came lower. So this is the very good move of Nifty, when it goes higher very slowly, 0.1 0.2%. SGX Nifty is still going strong, so here it is consolidating and it is stable. Surprisingly today even Bank Nifty closed in green and it was 0.39% higher. So this also followed the same Nifty pattern, gapped up, and unlike Nifty which remained flat, it went higher after gap up and then it came down, although on a closing basis it was also higher. So markets did not make much of a move today, and as you can see all my focus stocks are also quite positive, and those who are in red is not more than 1% lower. Let's do the open interest analysis, and for 16 September, that is the recent expiry, you can see that 17,400 calls are standing tall. That was a scene even yesterday, and even today there was addition. So we can see that 17,500 crossing 17,500 for this expiry is not going to be possible. So it seems very rare. So although in the money calls are unbound, so there isn't any downside potential either. You can see strong put addition at 17,400. So monthly pattern, it is bullish. So we can see the market straddling around 17,500 by month end. Let's check the Bank Nifty story, and here you can see that there was call additions in Bank Nifty at 36,700, and there was call unwinding at 36,500. at 36,500. Hence, early morning you could see the market going up, but then there was call additions and then the market came down. Although on a closing basis, Bank Nifty was green. In the month-end data of Bank Nifty, we can see that the calls are being unwound from 37,500 as well as from the 40,000 levels, and it is being added at 36,800. Whereas put is also added at 36,700. So I can see the markets is going to be quite contested over here, and we can still see Bank Nifty consolidating even by month end. I think the markets did not make much of a move today, and today is Tuesday, and Wednesdays we usually see a quite volatile market. So Wednesday, let's see how it goes, and let's see what kind of movement does the markets make and the overall stocks make. So that's it, guys, from my side. So if you like the video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you dislike the video, then do hit the dislike button. Just do it twice to be doubly sure. If you find this content knowledgeable, do share it with your friends and family as well. If you want me to explain about some specific strategy, or if you have doubts and queries in this strategy or any other techniques in options trading, do let me know in the comments below. I will definitely respond to all of your comments and queries. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Until then, adios. My name is Salman Sheikh. Capital Investments is the name of my company. If you're new to this channel, then please do visit my channel and watch the videos. I have created very good videos for you. If you're a basic options trader and you're learning options trading, do check out my initial 4 videos. And in case you are advanced and have been following me regularly, please do check out my daily stock options trade and daily analysis of post market report.